Hi, I'm Bruce Texley. As you know, the theme of this year's Lenten season is caring for creation, with a focus on water. Water is a critical element of caring for all of creation. I'm glad to be on this team. Here's one thing I do to save water. When showering, I turn the water on, wet my hair, turn the water off, shampoo my hair, turn the water on, rinse my hair, and soak my wash rag, turn water off, wash, turn water on, rinse, turn water off. It's a silly ritual, but it does save water. My journey in being an environmentalist began in the mid-1990s when I read Paul Hawken's The Ecology of Commerce. The chapters of Hawken's book on what needed to be done overwhelmed and depressed me. I saw what needed to be done, but I couldn't believe that our human society would actually do it, although the last couple of chapters were a bit optimistic. About the same time, I was introduced to the Natural Step, a Swedish movement, environmental movement to save the earth one natural step at a time. I enthusiastically worked with it for 3 decades. I saw examples of it working throughout Sweden, Canada, and in Wisconsin. Then I got older and tired, and I gave up, thinking that keeping the planet inhabitable would never happen, and we were all doomed. Why worry when the worst won't come before I die? The proof is that I traded in our 50 mile per gallon car for a 25 mile per gallon luxury car, driving in comfort. But then I recently encountered Paul Hawken's new book, Regeneration: Ending the Climate Crisis in One Generation. His book highlights a multitude of positive actions that are already happening around the world. My optimism returned. I volunteered to be on this team and am looking forward to seeing how we at New Life learn new ways to care for creation. And I hope that some new lifers might join me in reading Hawken's new book. Thank you for listening.